Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Today is Saturday, so I am pre-recording this for this Tuesday, which is probably when you're seeing it today. But anyway, I have a quick Dollar Tree for you. While I was doing my fabulous shopping on Saturday, I always go to this Dollar Tree about a half an hour from my town. It's the basic stuff that you probably have already seen, but I just want to share it just in case you are a new subscriber and a new family member to my channel. My name is Kel, and this is my channel called If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So I have been showing y'all these for the past year. The storage bags, 2.5 gallon. You get 5 in the package. And when I say I use these on a regular basis, you can probably go back to all of my Dollar Tree videos. I will never stop telling y'all about these bags. These are fabulous storage bags, and I mean they hold a lot of items, and it also, keeps you organized, and you can find your stuff faster than, putting them in boxes and so forth. And because I don't have a lot of room, it's easier for me to bag little, like my ribbons and stuff, and throw them in one of these, and then I take it over to storage. Now, what I've been doing lately with these storage bags, every time I do a tablescape, and it's a themed tablescape, and I know I'm not going to use any DIYs that I recreate for that table, instead of buying those big $5 totes that stack up, I have been utilizing these for about a year now. And when I tell you they hold a lot, I'm like looking over in the corner because I have like 5 tablescapes that I already have bagged up. And then I go on my printer and I print the name of the tablescape, tape it inside. And I'll show you all that one day how I do it. And easy to carry, it zips up, keeps all the spiders or whatever that may be crawling, because I have outside storage in your storage area. And these are very thick. I mean, I'm pulling on this, and I have overloaded these sometimes, and they have never ever ripped on me. So that's just like a little shout out. Keep in mind, this is a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with Dollar Tree, but I just love Dollar Tree products, and this is my solely opinion of some of the items that I bring to y'all to the Dollar Tree. So with that being said, I got picked up 5, total of 4. Yeah, I got 5 of these, and whenever you see them, grab them, because I'm telling you, these are the best storage bags. Even when you're going on vacation, put one in your luggage, and you can put your dirty clothes or food, anything you name, you can use this. Bug out bags, everything. So I highly recommend these and these. And they're great, if you're doing a lot of tablescapes. Next, I needed a new sponge for the bathroom. Everybody's probably done seen that already. No big deal. I got some glue sticks, which you get 8 in a pack. So I have a lot of DIYs that are going to be coming up on the channel. So I'm trying to get some of my supplies now before I come out of work, and before these are gone, because they usually sell them in the 4-pack, but now they're selling them right now in the 8-pack. I got some tape, clear tape. We're going to be wrapping, if you're going to be wrapping any gifts or anything, for my tape dispenser, because this is going to be running out soon. So I just got these. And I remember if I was telling y'all last week at the Dollar Tree that I did, well, I found 2 more of the Scripto lighters. These are excellent for your candles and for your bug out bag, because like I said, I am a prepper. I've been a prepper many years. But I found 2 more, and these have been, I have not seen these in a minute. They were really big, I say the beginning of the year, but everybody's down here has been buying them. But I was happy to find 2 of these. And I'm kind of a big deal sign for my table. You got to treat yourself, and you know, you spirit-wise, you have to believe in yourself. Even if nobody else believes in you, you have to believe in yourself. So note that. But it says I'm kind of a big deal. I thought that was cute. I may bling it out on the back, put some rhinestones or something, but just a little humor for myself on my desk. I got that. And then I found these blue and red bandanas. I got these. Got 2 packs, so you get a total of 4. Thought these were nice. And then I had got some candles already, opened them up. I got like 3 packs of these, but I'm doing a DIY, so I saved these just to show you. So I got 3 packs of these. And of course, every time I go to Dollar Tree, I always stack up on batteries, because we're in hurricane season, and you never know when you need, you know, batteries for yourself. So I hope that everyone is well, and if you're able to get out to the Dollar Tree, you've seen some of the items that I picked up and you like, I hope that you're able to find them. And again, my name is Kel, and this is my channel. I'd like to welcome all my new family members, and as I always say, y'all know I get excited at the end. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe, and I'll see y'all in another Dollar Tree Tuesday video. Bye-bye.